Hey, and welcome to this week's episode of the Rugged Rundown. And again, I got the Panasonic Toughbook. Sorry, it's not a Panasonic Toughbook. It's a Panasonic Connect, let's note, FV4 model. And these are the things that, quite honestly, I don't like about this after a bit of use and playing with this laptop. These are the things I don't like. And number one is, man, I don't like the price. $2,500 in general on this laptop. That's how much this laptop costs, $2,500. I think it's a little overpriced. The other thing that bothers me on this laptop is the screen. Now let me show you. I don't know if you can pick this up, but if you pull it by the corner, take a look at the flex in that screen right there. See that flex? That's dangerous. I mean, that tells me that there's going to be hinge problems maybe if you use this a lot and open and close it. Also, flexing can affect the screen itself as well and the image that comes up on there. So I am worried about the flex of the screen. Another thing which is just kind of, because you know me and keyboards, this is the only option in the keyboard. It's straight up emissive. It's not backlit or anything like that. You can't get a backlit option. This is it. What you see is what you get for your $2,500. The other thing is the limitation of hard drive size. The largest hard drive that you can install in this unit is a 512 gig SSD hard drive. You can't go 1 terabit or 2 terabit. The 512 is the max, which I guess if you're storing stuff on the cloud, that's okay, but I don't know. For $2,500, in my opinion, you ought to be able to put a 2 terabit in there if that's what you want to put in your laptop. I think that's all the dislikes I like to talk about today. $2,500, flexing screen, no backlit keyboard option. Oh, I forgot to mention this. I did read where you know how it's called a tough book? Well, it only has a 30-inch drop rating. So what that means is anything higher than 30 inches and this laptop may not work. I would suggest, if you're going to buy this laptop, don't drop it. But, well, that's all I got for you today. If there's any comments you want to talk about, put them down below. Read my description. I got some links for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next week.